Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open your project and start the debugger now. You want to run Python mpdb your script, py or drop import pdb. Set trace into the code so execution pauses where you need it. Once it stops, use list to view source, print to inspect values, and help to see commands. Make sure to confirm the file path and Python environment so symbols match the running code. This gets you immediate interactivity without installing extra tools, and it puts you in control of the session. Now that you're paused, focus on how and why the code flows. Step into functions with S and step over with N. Once inside, pvar prints current value and pp gives prettier output. You can assign or modify variables on the fly to test fixes, and conditional breakpoints let you stop only when a condition is true. Use where to see the stack, args to inspect parameters, and continue to resume until the next breakpoint. This sequence reveals hidden control flow problems and unintended state changes. As you wrap up, inspect final state, then run continue to finish execution or clear breakpoints with clear so future runs are clean. If you patched variables to test fixes, make sure to apply permanent code changes and rerun tests. Once done, use quit to exit the interactive session. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue in a minimal script and rerun with Python mpdb to get a fresh trace. If the debugger exits unexpectedly, enable post-mortem debugging to analyze the traceback after an exception.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.